mission of Ava Labs and Avalanche is to tokenize the world's assets.
Avalanche is poised for enormous growth, and that growth is fueled not only by the tech, but by also the community that's standing in front of me today.
We're going to take the best approaches and ideas for scaling blockchains in general, apply those, and then augment it with all sorts of new techniques for basically horizontally scaling the load of the network.
We're starting to see what we're calling the creator economy, which is really empowering the musician or the band to create their IP and distribute it. It's empowering the creator to really have better ownership over their IP.
I've had for many years the idea that one of the biggest value props of crypto was the ability to drive liquidity in asset classes.
Now the whole point is we don't want guardrails here. We want to enable people to do crazy stuff. And to do crazy stuff, we have to make a very general framework.
What does our strategy look forward to get from where we are now to mass adoption? Right? And that's the goal here. It's to meet all those use cases, to support every industry, every sector that's interested in building on Web3, and make it as easy as possible for them.
We're really trying to create an amazing experience. When someone comes up to me and says, what's a measure of success? If you guys walk home and say, wow, Avalanche Summit was an amazing experience, that's a win for us.
Thank you, Avalanche. This is a fantastic conference. The professionalism is unbelievable.
This has been amazing because Avalanche as a community and as a network is bringing a lot of users into the Web3 space. Users that can transact with low cost and use DeFi. You know, we love Avalanche, we love the speed, we love the community, and we love you all.
You can really feel how energetic and excited people are about the projects they're working on. So yeah, I mean, this space has just so much energy, and it's just great to see that live.
Thank you very much for coming to the Avalanche Summit. In about 1.5 years, we've built a magnificent thing together. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you again at the next summit.